Hello there everybody, Sam's Trains here, welcome back to the Railway and welcome to yet another 1 Minute Wonder, the last one for today. Here we go. So clearly motors form the backbone of the model railways hobby and they come in all sorts of different shapes and sizes. So here's a particularly big one, for example. I believe that one powered a toy scooter or something like that. And then there's a slightly smaller one here, not exactly sure what that one would be used for. And then there are ones like this, which of course we all recognise, that's the kind of thing that powers our model locomotives. And then finally, the wonder, as it were, is this one. It's such a tiny thing, and not only is this a motor, but it's also a gearbox, so that you can run this on sort of 5 volts, and the output speed will be nice and slow. Now, you have to wonder at the technology there. I mean, what an incredible little piece of engineering. But the really wondrous thing is that I bought 3 of those little motor gearboxes for less than £10, and to me, that is a real 1 minute wonder. So if you know of any other models or curiosities that would make for a good 1 minute wonder video, please let me know down in the comments and I will definitely consider that for a future video.